Welcome to Automation 2050 channel. So in the next video, I'm planning to show you how ML crash course with TensorFlow API works. This is a practical introduction to ML where Google published this for learning. So you can make use of this opportunity to learn ML. So people who are new to machine learning can definitely go with this tutorial. That's what I would say, because everything they are covering, everything ML concepts, ML engineering and ML system in real world. So if you are able to see in the top crash course, problem solving, everything will be there. So you can directly go with that ML crash course for the Google ML crash course. So they are saying 30 plus exercises are there in this crash course, 25 lessons, 15 hours. At least it will take some 2 days to complete. And the lectures from Google researchers only are they are teaching us this course. So there are lots of things there. So you can go with this. I will give you the description links. This description course link in the description box below, in my description box below. So there are lots of things there in google.ai. I will just give you the introduction, you see to it. It's very interesting.
Welcome to the Machine Learning Crash Course. My name is Peter Arbig, and when I joined Google in 2001, my title was Director of Machine Learning, because I knew then that machine learning would be a valuable tool to help engineers at Google and everywhere else make sense of their data. I didn't quite anticipate then how widespread the tools would become and how much demand there would be for engineers who are skilled at using them. This course is designed to set you along the path to becoming a skilled practitioner of the art. What you learn here will allow you, as a software engineer, to do 3 things better. First, it gives you a tool to reduce time you spend programming. Suppose I wanted to write a program to correct spelling errors. Make my way through lots of examples and rules of thumb, like I before E except after C, and after weeks of hard work, come up with a reasonable program. Or I could use an off-the-shelf machine learning tool, feed it some examples, and get a more reliable program in a small fraction of the time. Second, it will allow you to customize your products.
You can go with this and also start with the ML course. Okay. Then apart from this, there is a website called Google AI. So where they are, there is lots of examples they are giving for ML learning and its products like image classification, fairness and perspective AI, etc. And there is a Google API console also. You can go and use it if you know to use it. And it's just information, it's a learning, that's what I would say. And there is a video and there is an explanation how the image classification will work. So they have given some simple explanation, and they have also stated algorithm called CNN, that is convolution neural networks, and they are giving more explanation about CNN. And then going with how we are understanding the CNN. Very interesting, no? So, and there is an exercise. That is exercise is